Welcome back to my monopod analysis videos with me, Rich, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday 14th of December. Let's have a look at dollar yen, which dollar yen is it's an assessment of basically risk appetite in a way that fact that the yen is a real safe haven play. The dollar is less so of a safe haven play, but still has aspects of that, and that's why we're seeing dollar yen slightly lower, not significantly lower. Because risk appetite has fallen quite sharply today, but the dollar is still managing to perform well across the majors, and subsequently we're seeing dollar yen sort of hovering around really. But this little rally that we've seen on dollar yen, I think, still plays out within this, what is essentially a triangle pattern now, a consolidation triangle. You've got the marginal positive bias within the channel, within this triangle pattern, which I suppose reflects the fact that we are drifting higher. But I don't necessarily think we're going to be breaking higher. You've got the resistance overhead at 1385, which also, that's the resistance, that rally high back on the 3rd, but also that's where the downtrend comes in at the moment. So you've got that resistance in place, then 14 big figure, and then just above that 1420 area. So you've got these rally highs, but look at the momentum indicators. They're not really sort of pushing on. You've got the RSI still in the mid-50s, fell over at 60 previously. MACD lines just ticking a shade higher, but again, without any real conviction. Stochastics also sort of beginning to roll over a slight amount. So I'm not really convinced about this rally, whether it's going to continue. You've got a run of, this is the hourly chart, a run of higher lows, but again, is it rolling over? Our momentum indicator is less positively configured. Well, yes, you'd say that looking at the highs of the recent days, but it's being met with lower highs on the RSI and lower highs on the MACD line. So a little bit less impetus on the run higher, and I think that is due to the fact that we're sort of going to be bumping up against resistance around that 114 big figure area. So interesting that we're slightly lower today. It'd be interesting whether that starts to sort of fall away now. You've got the support coming in initially 1335 and then 1315, 13 big figure, and if 13 big figure gets lost, then you're sort of tracking back lower in the 112 sort of area. So yeah, I'd be a little bit cautious about chasing this one too far higher. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you later.